fibers. Next stage. The prophase, metaphase, and anaphase, the spindle fibers are now starting to appear. The spindle fibers is pulling the chromosome.
Nagtakalding, nagkalot.
Separation. Chromosomes start to move down and
Nagkalot
go
si
into their
Baboy.
folds. Next, the
Johnny,
spindle fibers
nagkalot ni Baboy.
are disappearing.
Nagkalot si Baboy.
Last stage, the telophase. The cell is already complete.
Pati adi si Director na Piman. Kamusta sa ali Piman? Yan. Pizza.
We are complete.
Tapos na? Palakpakan naman natin.
Clap!